Hey, welcome back to the garage build. I am in the new garage again this morning, and today I want to start talking about electrical. This is a big wire. Four strands of 0 gauge. All right, here is the main panel in the garage now. So we have coming from the other side of the house all the way through the crawl space this big 0 gauge 4 wires. So that's going to be our main feed. This other ginormous one is the AC, so it runs all the way back down under there with the other one. So there's also a little wire that runs all the way along here that is going to come down to a garage door opener button, right? But since this garage door is the only entrance into that garage, I'm going to have them run it into the secondary garage, or well, the other garage, and it'll have 2 garage door opener buttons, one to open this garage, one to open this garage so I can get into it, and then kind of like a 3-way deal where I can close this garage from inside here. Here's the box for the panel. It's a Siemens PN series load center, 200 amp. This is my main panel. All of the wires have been run to it. They're not connected in here yet, but the electrician is done in here. And as you can see, we have really sparse outlets around here. So over here on this wall is a 240 30 amp that they have run for me up and over to this panel, and I had them stick 1 outlet over here. And so I am going to be continuing down this wall and adding all the other outlets because they want $80 an outlet, and I'm just going to do that myself. And they also put in this 1 outlet over here on its own circuit. So I've already added a couple, 3 2-gang boxes. So I got 1 here, 1 here, 1 over here. And they did put in this one here for me for the pressure washer that I'm gonna have mounted up high. So that's why I have this one higher, to kind of stay away from water area. And so today I'm gonna be running the electrical for these, and I'm gonna do it just in time before the electrical inspector comes tomorrow, so it'll all be okayed. The other thing that the electrician did for me is he ran a 12-2 up here for my 240 for the 2-post lift. So kind of right here next to the window is going to be the 2-post lift, and I figure the post is going to be right around there. So we'll be able to wire that up without any issues. And I had them wire 1 light over here and 1 little light over here, each on a separate switch, because I'm gonna buy some of those 8-foot long LEDs after they finish the ceiling. So I got 2 places where I can start that electrical connection, and if I ever decide I want to, I'll be able to turn on the rear half of the lights independently from the front half of the lights. So I don't know if I'll ever do that, but I have the option now. On the back wall, I'm gonna have a big TV here. So I have my Cat 6 and coax coming here, and power. So I realized that I didn't specify anything to them when they ran the low voltage stuff, and they just went, straight down in the middle. But I'm gonna be putting a mini split up here in the middle, about 2 feet from the top of the wall. So I had the electricians, when I realized this, run their power around, down and up, just so that the mini split won't be over top of the power cord. So I guess I wanted them to move this over as well, but I don't think they left enough wire to do that. So I think I'll just put the mini split over there. If anybody sees any issues with that, let me know. And this rear wall is where my bench and other storage cabinets and tools are gonna be, I believe. So I'm gonna put in a couple 2-gang bench height outlets as well here. I think I will use this one that they plumbed for me to run one this way for those, and then one down this wall for the other outlets. And Shop Dog came out with me today for the electrical. She is chilling in the shade. So in about 15 minutes time, it was as easy as drilling some holes through studs and having the wire come in, go back out, through some more, in, out, and run up to here, and we just saved a few $100. Oh, and because I know somebody will ask, yes, I did get permission from the builder and the electrician both to come do this. They just wanted to look over my work afterwards to make sure I didn't screw something up.